Current Affairs, 19 December 2020. Robert Lewandowski and Lucy Bronze win Best of 2020 FIFA awards. The Bayern Munich striker Robert Lewandowski has been named the best FIFA men's player 2020, beating off Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. The 32-year-old Lewandowski, top scorer in Europe and winner of the Champions League with Bayern. Manchester City fullback Lucy Bronze won the Women's Best Player award, becoming the first female English player to take the prize. Lucy Bronze and Robert Lewandowski as the game's outstanding players on the women's and men's side, respectively. Minorities' Rights Day in India. 18th December in India is known as Minorities' Rights Day. The day focuses on promoting and preserving rights of minorities in terms of linguistic, religious, and caste freedom, and also ensures the safety of minorities. Several events and campaigns are conducted to educate people about this special day. The day is exceptionally one of the important days in December 2020. 35th edition of India-Indonesia Navy Coordinated Patrol. The 35th edition of India-Indonesia Coordinated Patrol between the Indian Navy and the Indonesian Navy will be conducted between December 17 and 18. Indian naval ship Kulish, an indigenously built missile corvette along with P-8I maritime patrol aircraft, will undertake coordinated patrol with Indonesian naval ship KRI Katniag Dien, a Kapitan Patimura class corvette and an MPA of the Indonesian Navy. India falls 17 spots on 2020 Human Freedom Index to 111th rank. The Human Freedom Index 2020, a worldwide ranking of civil, economic, and personal freedom, released on 17 December, placed India at the 111th spot out of 162 countries. India ranked 94 on the index in 2019. India is ahead of China and Bangladesh, which ranked 129 and 139 on the 2020 index respectively. New Zealand, Switzerland, and Hong Kong bagged the first 3 spots. The index was published by American Cato Institute and Fraser Institute in Canada.